On 9/11, there was not black African, nor there was any white American. There was the same blood of you and me, my dear, of you and me, my dear. Lend me thy serious hearings. Lend me thy serious hearings, my dear. It was 9, it was 11, it was 2001. All that happened, yes, all that happened against the wish of one. Words can never dress, hearts can never bear, time can never heal, the sky can never be gay. When the earth fell drowned in a bloody river, the pain of their wounds is the pain of mine. The pain of their wounds is the pain of mine. Kill not the human. Kill not the human, but silence the glory of divine. But silence the glory of divine.